What's up, CG family?
Welcome back to another episode of Car Gang.
And today we are actually going to a very exciting place. The family of all Z's. You guys probably know them on Instagram at Zociety _ right over here. You know, they post all the Z's around the world. And I finally get to see their headquarters today in California because I am picking up, finally, my carbon fiber hood.
As you guys know, we have been driving around without a hood for the last, what, like 2 weeks?
2.5 weeks,
2.5 weeks.
yeah.
You can even see the strut bar over there in the engine bay. It's just like, I don't know, I can't imagine that's very good for, you know, the wiring. It probably dry rots in the sun and stuff. But nonetheless, we're getting that hood today. Let's secure the bag.
Let's secure the bag. I'm super excited. You guys finally get to see what style I got. So before we get there, I gotta clean up my car and make it look extra nice so they don't look at it and be like, ugh, this girl does not take care of her car. So let's go to the car wash.
Go. I think it's $3. There you go. Do that thing, girl.
Bro, this is like Superman ice cream. How does this work though? Alright, car is all cleaned, wiped up pretty quickly, not a full detail, but we are off to Zociety's headquarters. So we have made it to Zociety and we are gonna get a quick look around of what's inside the headquarters. Shall we?
Let's check it out.
Let's go.
So Christina is gonna pull up her car real quick and I am gonna walk in. Right out the gate we have a sweet wide body 350Z. Ooh, they got the carbon fiber louvers. Looks like Omnique tint, red tint from Omnique Tint. And oh my gosh, that's a sweet build. It's like JDM heaven in here, you guys. This is awesome. Holy smokes. We got Volk TE37s on this, what, 240? Yep, 240 SX. Sweet carbon fiber. This is just awesome, you guys. So, we got some more stuff all around. Oh my lord. This is Tokyo Drift right here. Holy crap. Christina is over there. We can smell the cat delete. Go check out our previous video. Yeah, you got about 5 feet. Keep coming. Stop.
I can't believe my car's actually at the Zociety headquarters.
Yep, we
and
made
we're right
it.
next to another Z.
Right, isn't that crazy? They got the Omnique tint, red tint.
Oh, wow.
They have the carbon fiber louvers.
Dude, you can just smell
Your cat
the
delete.
delete
I
off
know.
this car.
It's crazy.
But yeah,
You might want to turn your car off.
yeah, I probably saw. There's a Corvette out there. Shouldn't be in here. It's not a Z. But I believe that the 400Z was actually here as well. It made it come around here and they did a full live. So that was really cool.
So definitely go turn your car off since we have cat delete. Oh, they're getting the hood ready.
So here's the hood, you guys. They brought it all the way here. It's from VIS Racing. I got the one I initially wanted, which is absolutely wonderful. Shout out to you guys.
You got lucky?
No, for real, man. And I'm glad like I picked it up here because imagine shipping all the way to Michigan, bro. That would have been so much. And check out this wide body S2K. I love that color on it. Is that paint or wrap, Alex? It's paint? Wow, look at that shimmer on it, you guys. That's crazy, that's paint. Damn. Wow.
Man.
Holy moly.
That's
Finally, it looks like an HR, you guys. Doesn't look like a DE anymore.
I ain't gonna lie, that was a DE.
This whole time, they all thought it was a DE.
Little info about Zociety. Zociety is a worldwide Z community connecting all the Z owners from all across the world.
And so they sell crazy things here like car parts. They do installations. Obviously, we're getting our hood done here. What else do you guys sell here? Like,
We actually make dash bars. We make louvers. We make them in carbon fiber, metal. We also make a lot of other products, seat brackets.
So they do like
harness bars, a little bit of everything. Basically, a lot of stuff that the Z community needs.
Yeah.
They need a little bit of help on, something that, you know, it's out there, but it's not really that great. So
Right.
A lot much better.
Exactly. So they do like everybody was a Z car of any like platform within the Z. You know, they make everything you need here basically. So go to their website, check it out. Was it at Zociety.com or
Zociety.org and also Zacoustic.com.
Okay, and Zacoustic.com. So yeah, this is the place.
So Zociety is based on the Z's, and Zacoustic is pretty much everything all around.
Okay, so like the infinities and all
everything,
that stuff?
yeah, all across.
Okay,
Yeah, so
okay.
we didn't want to leave everybody else left out just because we have love for all the car community.
Exactly.
But like I said, Zacoustic is catered around all the other chassis.
What car is that?
So this is a partner Henry's. This is basically the demo 350 build that we've been using for the past 4 or 5 years.
Wow.
And it's been VE on Vortex supercharger.
That's crazy.
That's insane. You guys can see Vortex
Supercharger. You can see it right there.
This is at DEs I could.
This is basically the demo for drifting, and then over here is the competition. So this is what who drifts these? What's his name?
Henry. So
Henry,
this one
so-
hasn't come out yet, but
Man.
it's in the works to be coming out hopefully done by the end of the year and coming out by next year.
So this is a 240SX with an LS.
LS swap, 650 horsepower NA.
Oh my gosh.
And then above it, what is that? The Datsun 240?
That's my 280 right here.
280?
So got a Liberty Walk kit, got L20 ET on airlift, got some pretty JDM wheels. We got full suspension, Techno toy down here,
Nice.
full custom piping.
Man, that's crazy. Let's head around back of these cars.
We put in the gas tanks, we had to bring it down, paint it since it looked very old. Wanted to give it a nice touch.
Can we head over to the other side?
Yeah.
All right, so let's check out the other side of Zociety.
On that side over there, it would be
That's
Fly One Motorsport.
Fly One, okay.
Oh wow.
So let's see what we got over here. Oh wow, we got an Nismo GTR right out the gate.
Yeah, right.
Under here, that looks like what a R8
NSX.
NSX. Oh, similar body style. I was close.
You guys paint this?
Oh no, it's OEM from Nissan.
Oh,
So this is
okay.
a Nismo bumper.
Yeah.
And so he made a lip kit for the Nismo kit. The front lip that goes through the front bumper of the Nismo.
Yeah.
That's so clean. And you're getting a hood very similar to this.
They're almost similar.
Not, yeah, it's not the same, but it's similar.
Got this crazy JDM wing.
that's
not many people
crazy.
have it just because it's pretty expensive when it
Yeah,
comes from
look
Japan. It goes for like about 3,000.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Cool little add-on that, you know, people are like.
Oh, he said he has one more car to show us. Let's take a look at what is under the
Man.
covers. Ooh, man.
Wow, dude, look at the white wheels.
I know, those are sexy. They're BBSs.
Wow.
Looks like they got a new front bumper they're about to throw on there. Wow, that's so cool. So it has a Rocket Bunny wide body kit on it as well. Look at that carbon fiber. Oh man. Look at the back of this thing, how aggressive that looks. That's so cool.
Oh, damn. That's all good though. So 280 just pulled up, as you can see.
They have the bottom like that.
Sheesh.
Yeah.
You want us to have this to reduce those?
Yeah, that's the latches. The latches. That's on there. Before we tighten the nuts, we checked to see if the latch mechanism fit flush with this, and it went right on, which is great news. So now we're just gonna tighten it up.
Look at this, look what I got. Let me just...
Oh yeah, satisfying.
Woo!
Nice.
All good. I feel like they loosen up over time too, so I feel like you can usually check on them, you know?
All right, let's drop it and see how it
Hey,
looks.
now I don't have to worry about rain. There we go.
I'm not gonna lie, the chances of leak is pretty good here. You know?
Oh
Yeah, man.
Don't be testing that one.
Alright.
That looks so good.
Hey, now it looks like an HR. So this is what it looks like. You can see that there is actually a bonnet bulge now, so it actually looks like an HR. Obviously my front lip is missing. They're gonna get that all straightened out for me Monday, so really shout out to Zociety for getting everything in for me like absolute last minute. Like I'm telling you guys, less than 24-hour time, and they just turned it around and said, you know what, we got them, we can make it work out. Now we are talking about a roof cap, a carbon fiber roof cap on the Z. What do you guys think about that? I'm not sure.
Do it.
He's telling me to do it, but I don't know. We'll see about that. But we also have carbon fiber louvers. So we'll see about that. We are in the works of thinking that out. But now, right now, I am stealing some Zociety merch because I want some. I only have like one hoodie from them, and my sister uses it like all the time.
So if you guys did not know, we had to say bye-bye to the front lip. And because this is what's left of it.
Here's what's left of it.
Literally just
and
that.
The wrap. And you guys have no idea how many people noticed my wrap and called me and even
did you tell them the story?
Not really. Basically,
so guys, basically we were doing a canyon run with the Purist group, and we hit a pine cone. A pine cone, yes, a pine cone. The thing was literally
the size of my hand.
Huge.
Yeah, it was really big.
It was huge.
I couldn't swerve away from it. It was like in the middle of
the road. A pine cone took off her front lip. I know it sounds crazy and hard to believe, but it is the truth. And yeah, so you guys can see like it's really crappy condition down below, and yeah, you can even see where the front lip came up to on those lines right there, and she just took off the rest of it.
You guys, check this infinity mirror out. Look how clear you can see from it. It's definitely wider than my OEM one.
Yeah, so you'll get more out of it, coverage of course, and then we got the no
you gotta take the little okay, use these ones. But how does it work? Where do I press? This thing?
Yeah, press it once.
I've never literally seen these in real life.
You change your color, you press it again.
Look at that, you guys. And he's doing IG handles next.
Yeah, it's already available on the website. You can just click on the IG. It'll just put your IG on there, and then it'll create it for you.
Oh wow! And these look so sick at night. That is so cool. So yeah, this is available on their website. You guys can get one custom done, or just says Zociety on it, right?
Yeah. You get
that's
custom
sweet.
one with Zociety on there.
That's awesome.
We'll be hooking you up with one of those.
So we're getting our IGs on our shirts too. Dang, nice. Where's your Z? I keep telling him, get a 370, bro. Get a 370. What the is that?
For our bearded dragons. Me and Henry got with that bearded dragons.
Wait, for what?
Our bearded dragons.
Oh. Where?
Behind you.
What? Nice.
Boom, baby.
Thank you so much, man. Now I'm part of the Z family.
It's official.
I'm getting one, but I don't feel honored to wear it.
You don't got a Z yet. You support the Z community.
I support the Z community.
That's all it takes, bro.
I'll be driving with the Zociety shirt and my Mustang.
Support the Z community.
The Z Mustang. Christina is pulling out with this new, awesome looking hood. Ooh. So that is a wrap.
That brings us to the end of this video. You guys got a quick glimpse of the Zociety headquarters, and I did too for my first time.
So we want to say a huge huge shout out to Oscar from Zociety, as well as Alex, their videographer and everything like that.
Yeah, and thank you so much for hooking us up. And they're about to go shoot with the nice Datsun in the back right there. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy, and if it was your first time checking out the Zociety headquarters with us. And we'll catch you guys in our next video.
Make sure to shoot them a follow, and as well as us. Peace out, guys.
Peace out.